Hey guys, Pevin here, and today's UI design tip is to have hierarchy and organization in your list. So this is like an options menu that I have here, and I just want to talk about how I think about organizing the list so that it doesn't feel cluttered, even if it has lots of things like this drop down menu. So the first important thing is hierarchy. So the most important actions in this are follow, mute, block, and report, which is grouped at the top, and then action related to saving and sharing or in the middle, while less frequently used options like not interested and this one or at the bottom. So that's how I thought about organizing it, just because most important, frequently used, and very less frequently used. That's a good way about going it. And we have more meta information at the very end that the user already knows from the post itself. So it's not that important, but it needs to be there. That's the point here. And subtle dividers like these lines is good for organizing things. You can also leave an empty space, that's also fine, but I've seen people use lines like for everything, something like this. That's definitely not needed. It's too much. You need like that definite grouping. So if you see from here to here, that's a group, right? So the user knows, okay, this is where the most important thing is, and then if they don't need, they'll see the next section, they'll just glance through it, and they'll go to the next section. So they'll instinctively go from section to section, not read every line. That's not what we wanted. And of course we have a search bar to find specific, because if it's a large list, then definitely we need some search bar. And one other thing that I try to follow is like consistency and familiarity. Like this layout follows common UI patterns, making it much more intuitive for users, with who use other social media platforms, which will have things like this. So yeah, overall it's a combination of hierarchy, combination of organization based on the hierarchy, leaving good subtle dividers for grouping things, and some it's a mostly a minimal non-intrusive design, which is also good for your users eyes. They can easily glance through it, they can open close it easily, and it's familiar to everyone. So yeah, that's it. In your list, make some groups, and it'll look much better. That's it for today. Bye bye.